All right, this might be the potential trade idea we have here. Maybe, maybe not. So, see NQ's moving higher now. Finally, moving back up after respecting the 4-hour PD array, while ES has never done that. This will be more of a short-term in and out trade if we do form this 3-minute inversion fair value gap. Putting my stop at this low right here, or this low. Realistically, I don't know where to aim for, honestly. I'll probably use, gonna have all this loaded up right here. You can see that there. I have my take profit of what it would be to pass the account, which is 611.12, but 612 just to round it up. So if we go to the 1 minute here, also have the stop loss placement right around here. You can see it's not even much. It's only 1.1% basically. We're up around 1%, so it doesn't matter if I lose here at this point. But another thing too I was aiming to see was just maybe taking it off fully at the 1 hour PDR right here, the bearish BPR we have on the 1 hour. That's another thing I was looking at right here. If we retrace back up into this, I wouldn't really want to see the market, well, I really wouldn't want to be in the trade, I should say, not the market. I really wouldn't want to be in the trade here if we see that form there, because I feel like that just, this shows a lot of bearishness if we reach back up there. You know, even though we have a 1 hour CRT, the daily CRT respecting the 50% balancing, 4 hour did, you know, still yet to close. Maybe we can close inside of it, show bullishness, and push up higher. But up on the 1 hour, we look bearish here with this bearish BPR and the CIBI. So it does close up here. I wouldn't really want to be holding the trade for much longer, other than, you know, but it doesn't look like we're going to get this right now, especially on the 15. So now we have to simply just continue waiting, honestly, seeing what happens. I'm not really against. All right, guys, we might get the trade idea forming here. Like close to the order block here on the 15-minute. The bearish order block there as our profit target. Now all we're gonna do is simply wait for the trade idea, and if we get stopped out, we get stopped out right here. You know, like I'm willing to lose 1%. Yeah, 1.38. Reason why I would probably lose, I don't know yet. Basically, we don't have a 15-minute CRT maybe, and that's probably one of them. I usually trade with 15-minute CRTs. Maybe if we don't have the 15-minute CRT, we might not win here. So just be patient, you know, let it run, let it do its thing. We need more information as to what's gonna happen. I feel like it's too soon. I don't like how the 15 candles look. They feel very weak, honestly. We're unable to break above that high and low. Unable to get above it. We're just stuck inside of the range. It doesn't look the best, honestly. Yeah, it just doesn't look good at all. Oh my goodness. Bro, this is not the type of trade I would it's not the type of trade I would want to take now that I'm looking at it from like, it is what it is though. You know, I took it, accepted the risk as soon as I pushed the button. And it's not moving at all. You see, that's very slow paced, especially during lunch session. I don't really trade lunch. That's another thing. Maybe, you know, we should have waited for PM session. I think that would have been a better option, but you know, we want to rush the entries. This is what happens, you know, we're gonna learn from it. So we have a 1 minute CIBI here. If we do make it an inversion, I do plan on actually closing the trade here. I just don't see it moving with speed. I'm getting ready for that, because again, we're just rejecting, we're not really moving. Yeah, if we make it an inversion, I'm closing it. Probably will happen. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna leave it till I hit my stop loss. Why not? It doesn't, I don't want to hold this trade any further. It just doesn't look good at all. Probably gonna hit stop. It just doesn't, it's not moving, bro. I don't like this type of trade at all. I'm gonna let it go hit full stop loss. Why not? Take it to L. Chopping around. I don't wanna be in a trade where it's chopping around. It's waiting for some new time to start to move, you know, like I'd rather wait for when the market is moving in that clear direction after it breaks out of the consolidation, you know, after it gets out the chop. I'd rather trade that, you know, instead of holding the trade in the chop. You know, entered the trade, I'm gonna accept it. I'm gonna just accept whatever outcome happens. I just really don't have much hope here now. I'm just let it be, you know. It's cool. Whatever happens, bro. I feel like I'm getting emotional again, just like trying to hold it. If it wins, it wins, bro. Like, I'm not really going to be trying to baby this trade 24/7. Again, I'm willing to enter again if I see something. But at this point, I feel like I'm just not, I don't know. I feel like I'm just not the type of trader I used to be. Especially with the way I'm trading right now. Like, this wouldn't be a type of trade I would want to take. I would wait for a 15-minute CRT. Again, I feel like I'm just not following my system right now. That's why I don't really have much confidence in this trade. Like, the trades before, like, the past 2 weeks, or, like, the last trade I actually took on ES, the other one, that one over there, I felt confidence in that one, you know. I actually had strong beliefs in that one. This one, not really, you know, like we're inside of a chop. 15-minute doesn't look too clean. 4 hour and the 1 hour, very indecisive, you know, like it's just not one of those type of trades where I feel a lot of confident in, or I just don't feel super confident in. So yeah, we're probably going to get hit out very, very, very soon right now. So just accept, you know, it as an L right now, to journal it right now, then probably upload the video also. So we're down 108. If we do get stopped out, 138. So yeah, and then 138 minus 188. Let's do the math right now if we do get hit out. So we're at 188 profit, 0.88. And then, minus 138 minus 138.35. So we at $50. So around 0.5, we're going to be up. I'm cool with that. I'm going to look for another trade idea, see if I can see something. But again, I'll probably wait for PM session. I'm done actually trading lunch. I'm going to just close the trade. I'm going to journal it. I'm going to just relax for a little bit, and then I'm going to go wait for PM session here. I feel like not really. Yeah, all right, we got hit out. We hit out here. You can see that. Minus 151. Yo, Brad, the spread got me. I forgot about the spread. It was 113, or it was a $13 spread. Damn, bro, that shit ate me up. But bro, I didn't know it was gonna be that much. Now I was supposed to be at 0.5. Now we're at 0.37. God damn, that shit ate me up for real. We're taking an L here. 100 minus 108, 138, 150. I mean, now it's my biggest loss. Holy shit, 150. I'm kind of pissed, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I already know why I should have not taken this. This is a freaking impulsive entry, impulsive trade. Just one of those trades where I wouldn't have taken it, and just one I'm gonna learn from right now. I'm gonna review it, I'm gonna journal it, gonna get my Notion ready and all that. So, you know, it's just like one of those trades where I knew I shouldn't have taken it, you know, like just looking at my trading journal, I already know. But yeah, I'm gonna add it in here. And another thing I plan on doing, guys, is actually, again, I only said I was gonna take one trade a day in New York. I'm actually gonna get rid of that, and I'm gonna Asia session. I've been thinking about it. I've seen some trades where I find some trade ideas there form, and you know, like the trade idea could have been there, but I just didn't take it because I'm trading New York only. So let's go look at this 151.45. So yeah, we're gonna go journal this real quick. We're on a losing streak. I promise you guys I'm gonna bounce back for sure. I'm gonna review this trade, I'm gonna analyze it, I'm gonna be like, all right, hold on, yeah, I shouldn't have taken this. You know, the chop, focusing on time, focusing on everything in general, not taking this, and you know, and just ensuring I'm taking the highest quality setups. This wasn't one of them, you know, like this is a rushed impulsive trade, trying to, you know, catch something when in reality it wasn't there. Yeah, I'm just gonna review this now. I'm gonna analyze this. I'm gonna be like, yo, why is this a low probability one, and why are the other ones high probability? You know, I'm gonna try to distinguish that, and then eventually from here on out, you know, I'm not gonna take these type of trades right here where I lose like this. I'm gonna add some more rules and restrictions as to why I shouldn't take this setup as opposed to taking the other one, and what makes this one low probability, what makes the other one's high probability. I'm gonna try to distinguish that right now, and then implement it, make rules to follow those rules, and then trade that. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Entered another trade. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm getting impulsive. We had a 2-minute inversion, 15-minute CRT, respected the 15-minute BISI, and then as soon as we made it inverse, I entered. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just got done journaling this trade too, you know, so I still need to do this. But we're aiming for up here just to pass the account again. Just one trade. Why I keep doing this, I don't know. I'll probably take break even right here at this high. If we do go up there, if we don't, then take the L. It's gonna let the trade run. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Yeah, I actually want to go use the restroom and walk my dog, so I will probably not be able to manage this trade, even though I would want to. So I'm gonna just set an alert right there. Then I'm just gonna let this trade run, let it do its thing. Stop loss is down here at the rejection block low. We made a 2-minute inversion, 2-minute BISI, 15-minute CRT. I want to see the market continue up higher. Respect this, push up higher, complete the 1-hour CRT on NQ. While ES did form it, I just think NQ has a lot more potential to the upside because it's showing a lot more strength, especially with the SMTs. We go to like the 4-hour here. See ES dropping down there while NQ isn't. So that's kind of why I've chosen NQ also. But yeah, I'm just let the trade run. I'm gonna go. We get hit out. We get hit out. If we win, we win. You know, I'm not really too happy. I don't care at all right now with this account. So yeah, just let it do its thing. And I'm gonna be seeing if I can move my stop. I'm gonna see if I can do the thing where I move my stop to break even here on my phone. Oh yeah, so I am connected on my phone, so I will be able to move the trade to break even if we do hit that point, and then if we go reach our profit target. I don't know where my profit target would have to be. All right, so we hit the 15-minute CRT. I'm thinking about moving the stop to break even here. That's kind of the dilemma, so I might do that here now. If we hit out, we hit out. I'm gonna let the trade run. I'm gonna show you guys what's gonna happen here. So move stops to break even. Yeah, this is where the 3-minute or 2-minute. This is the 15 right around here. So I'm gonna show you guys that right there like that. I'll be RB. Jits, we closed the trade early. I mean, that puts us back and above, just near 3%. What am I doing, honestly? What am I doing, chat? Why did I do this to myself? Here I did put I will regret this because I will regret this because on the 15 we might form a 15-minute BISI, use that as a means to push us up higher. 13 o'clock opened up. Now we're just I honestly I can't. I just my brain was locked in on this trade. I was glued to the screen. We had a 3-minute breaker with a standard deviation target showing us, you know, right here we sweep the low. This is the high to the low, using the whole manipulation lag, using the wicks. This should have been the first target right here, and then this would have been the final target, which would have been our final take profit all the way up there, would have been met. So if we simply just held the trade, I think we would have probably hit it. But I'm gonna journal this real quick, and then I'm going to go. I'm gonna do a little breakdown of what I even took this trade. 1 day CRT again, 4-hour time frame. We made this an inversion. We made this to be an inverse. 1-hour time frame. formed the 1 hour CRT back then, like at 10 a.m., you know, and then 12 opened up. Now we're moving up higher, 13 o'clock. Beautiful delivery, 15-minute time frame. We look like we can form a 15-minute BSC retrace and then move up higher. This would have been the original target. Now we're going to go to the 2-minute, where was our 2-minute entry, alpha this 15-minute CRT right here. This one right here that formed, waited for the third candle to open right there. Opened up, 2-minute time frame, 2-minute inversion, fair value gap there, opened up. We entered right around here, and then the stop loss was right here, and then the take profit was around here somewhere. You know, we took the trade off a little early. I will be watching it to see, you know, if the trade idea plays out in our favor. So if it does, like if the idea was correct and we go all the way up there, and I simply just should have held the trade idea, I'm going to be very mad at myself. Either way, I believe, you know, just because we lost earlier, it affected me really. We took that 1% out, and I feel like that affected me a lot. So I just had to eventually, you know, bounce back, make a little bit more, and you know, a little bit more in profit. And also we did lose last week, so I want to see if these breaker standard deviation targets are met. Now I'm just gonna simply chill. You know, I'm gonna chill and to walk away right here, and I'm gonna just continue to take breathe, see what I did wrong, bro. See what I did wrong. Oh my, I knew I was gonna regret this. As soon as I closed the trade, I put that little chat box. I just said, I'm gonna regret this, because I know we're probably not gonna come back to the entry point right here, and we're just gonna have strong delivery back up to the upside, completing this market make a buy model. Yeah, again, I'm gonna be trading lunch PM session. I'm gonna be trading all these, and the thing I really distinguish from the past trade, from the one we took out, is I need a 15-minute confluence, like a CRT. Even the 15-minute right here, this wasn't bad. This 15-minute BSC wasn't bad, but we need a 15-minute confluence. You can see how we swept both sides here and there, and then this one we never really did anything, and this one either. I'm not taking anything on here unless we sweep something on either side of these candles. Here we swept both sides, and I don't want to trade that. I want to trade one where we sweep one side and then we move. So this would have been avoided if we simply just waited for or we simply watched the NQ form that, you know, the third candle right here we opened up. Right here you see that we opened up, we moved up higher, formed an inversion, insert, boom, we moved up higher, completed the CRT. Move your stop to break even as soon as you complete it, or yeah, you reach the other side, you complete it. Yeah, now I'm gonna watch it, call it a day maybe there. Honestly, I feel like it's too much if I try to go in PM session. So 512, bro. I don't know why I just started losing so much, bro. I lost today and yesterday, Friday. I mean, I lost Friday and then today. Part of the game, I guess. Distinguishing what makes, you know, what to add to your trade. Just a little bit of profit now. Honestly, I'm just gonna try to aim for that. Just continue to aim for a little bit more, chipping away. Probably aiming for like $300 to like $200 trades. Mainly just that. Not aiming for the moon anymore. And realistically, I just can't hold for that long if I'm being real. And I should just be aiming for a 1 to 2, like I told myself. Realistically, I know I shouldn't be holding. I should just be aiming for a 1 to 2. I feel like I'm stuck in on the trades, bro. If I don't end the recording, I don't close the charts, I'm gonna continue watching this, bro, and I'm gonna continue having regret. So I'm just end that here. I'm gonna journal, I'm gonna go review, and I'm gonna after that I'm gonna start charting again for crypto right here. I'm gonna start charting crypto, see what markets I want to trade. We're down right now. That's even better for the trades. So yeah, peace.